Welcome to Cooking with the Koyas. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to share with you a very simple salad or lunch that I like to make. And this is one of my favorite lunches. It's high in protein, very easy to make, no cooking at all. Let's get right into those ingredients. This is what I call my chickpea and tuna salad. So we need 1 can of chickpeas, and I'm using 28 ounces. 2 cans of tuna. I do have them in oil, but you can have them in water, and they're 7 ounces each. From there, I need some fresh ingredients. I do like to use 1 spring onion that's cut up, piece of celery cut up, and a half a pepper cut up. And I do like these cut up nice and small. The chickpeas and tuna do have a lot of salt in them, so I only need one thing, and that's going to be EVOO's favorite, lots of olive oil. So the first thing we need to do is drain the liquid out of the chickpeas, and I do like to rinse them. So I'm simply going to take the chickpeas, dump them out, and make sure that I get all of them out. And then rinse with cold water. Let that drain a bit and put that into the bowl. I am going to drain that oil from the tuna because I would rather use good extra virgin olive oil. So it's drained and that goes right into the pot. Now I'm going to add in my fresh ingredients. And I do like them fresh because I like that crunch as I'm eating this salad. And the red peppers do give it nice color. That's all we need. And let's put in some extra virgin olive oil. And as EVOO says, I don't think you can do too much. And mix it up. Look how beautiful that looks. All those nice colors. Break up that tuna. And even though I did use the tuna with the oil, I can, of course, add more oil. And as EVOO says, if you think you've mixed enough, well, mix a little bit more. Oh, there's one. See, he was right. So we have chickpeas, tuna, fresh vegetables, and of course you can add whatever else you like, but this I find makes a perfect lunch. We can divide this up into about 6 different cups, so we have 6 different lunches. Look how beautiful that looks. It's delicious now, but when it sits overnight and all of those flavors marinate into each other, it's even better. And when no one's looking, I always like to give it a taste test. You just never know. It's crunchy. It's delicious. And instead of leaving it in this big bowl, I do like to fill it up in some containers so that it's available for my quick lunches. I have some small containers just in case I need a little snack. And some good tight containers so I can bring this to work. So I have the snack size. I have a medium size, and then I have an EVOO size. So these are great to keep in the fridge for a couple of days. They're handy, they're high in protein, they're healthy for you, and it's really easy to do because there's no cooking involved. And we do have our lunches and snacks ready, but it's also great if you want to add this into a meal. It does make a good second for a meal. I do hope you give this a try. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. Thanks for joining me today, and bon appetit. Bye now.